Alright, this is a little DIY bow press I saw on Archery Talk. Real easy to use. I like having this little carabiner here. Could be a little fidgety to get going at first, but make sure everything's lined up. And you just start spinning this turnbuckle. Takes a little bit to spin up and get tight. There we go. You want to make sure the arms are kind of in the same position. You don't want it starting off cockeyed. There we go. Make sure they're nice and centered. Keep spinning. Keep spinning. And it really doesn't take a whole lot once you get tension. You can do it all with your hands. And it's pressed for you. You got plenty of access for all of your, need a little bit tighter for the cables, but there we go. But you can do your cables. I've done string change and a cable change with it, so really easy to use. And then to undo it, you just do it in the reverse way. Real simple.